In the video, you will witness the post-maintenance testing process of the Austrian B and R industrial driver. We have the ability to test almost all the drive units, PLCs, microcontrol units, MCU, and touchscreen units within the B and R. Industrial control systems used in processing and manufacturing, equipment for industries such as printing, packaging, and electronic semiconductors. We not only focus on the hardware repair of industrial products, but also provide support in programming and software aspects. In addition, we repair numerous industrial controllers. For faults of the P3 series drivers, such as port, disconnection, and fault codes 6053 and 4005, we can handle the repairs. We also offer the option of exchanging with in-stock spare parts for maintenance, which can restore the working state of your machine more quickly. Please keep an eye on our updated videos and follow us. Let's work together to solve technical problems with the help of artificial intelligence, AI.